Hey everyone, today we'll be going through one of the more challenging but highly important elements of business, financials. So let me highlight the key points and share some learning based on my experience of getting to grips with money talk and management when setting up and running my own business. I'll start with my experience of the costs attached to setting up your own business. Remember, setting up a business costs money and it can take a long time for a business to be profitable. Which is why thinking about how you learn skills on the way that can help you in other jobs and professionals can also be very valuable paths. Starting a business, like I have, isn't for everyone. Starting a business is expensive. What are the costs? Some will you have known and some may have been more hidden. What's the cost to start a business? Look at this table. Here we've got an example of the variety of costs. Product development, £15,000. Brand development, £6,000. Product photography, £4,000. A website build, £10,000. Marketing and communication building, £150,000 potentially. Split into three main pillars: digital, sampling and collaborations, and guerrilla. This will be distributed across 12 to 18 month period. PR, £30,000 for 1 year. Public relations is all about getting our brand seen by a wider audience and gaining new customers. Trademarks, £20,000, and miscellaneous, £20,000. This brings us to a total of £225,000. Obviously, you don't need to have 200 grand to start a business, but you do need to consider all of these things and go into starting a business with your eyes open to all the costs. So, I've given you this example as a way to share my experiences and learnings with you. But I totally get that not every single person watching this will necessarily want to start their own business. Hopefully these videos make clear that even though it's an amazing journey, starting a business is no mean feat. It costs money to make money. And often you are down on money before you come into that profit phase. A couple of basics that I think everyone should know is what is the revenue and profit? What is the difference between net and gross? Revenue is the total amount of money that was earned by you or your business. Profit is just the leftover once you account for all the costs and expenses. That includes buying products, marketing, and paying salaries. Gross is the total amount of money paid or earned. Net is the amount of money once taxes and expenses and insurances are paid out from the gross total. For example, your gross salary might be £25,000 a year, but the net salary will be £21,271 because you pay income tax, national insurance, and pension. So what can you take from this instead? Commercial awareness. My advice would be, whatever you're doing, always try to take an interest in the financial workings on that business. Even if you don't like to get deep into the finance, understand what makes the business make money and how you can support that in your own job.